All right, so today is pretty exciting because I'm going to attempt to pull the fresco off the support today. So using the Strappo technique. So I've glued 2 different pieces of cheesecloth to this over the past few days. Gave it about 48 hours to dry. And so now I'm going to give it a tear, which is what Strappo translates to mean. And so if I'm successful, the image of a portrait back here will come off, and then I'll have just a clean support underneath. And then I can transplant that fresco to some other surface. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and do it now. And so one of the cool things is listening to the sound of it, because it crackles when I do it, which is pretty exciting. Let's just see if it's ready. Hear it? And that's it. Looks like I got it all. So here is the actual fresco. Here's the back of the fresco. And you can see that it got the whole image, and it's not uncommon to see a little bit of the lowermost layer underneath there. But so now what I can do is take this paper thin fresco and apply it to a different support. I have a bigger fresco over here I'll try tomorrow, but it's pretty exciting.